where in particular one of the things that's very troubling to me is what I talked about with the severe abuse finding. Probably about 10 or 12 years ago, we had a case that went up to the Court of Appeals, and it was a case in which a child was born addicted to crack or something, and there were severe withdrawal symptoms from that child when they were born. Our Tennessee Court of Appeals made a judicial conclusion at that point that any in-utero drug exposure was severe abuse as a legal conclusion. So what that now means is that that legal and severe abuse is forever. So that means that any child that you have after that severe abuse finding will be taken away from you, even if it's 10 years later. And you have cleaned yourself up, even if you were severely abused at that point. But also, when you look at a mother, and you know, I could give a whole nother speech on addiction and the opiate crisis, and you know how devastating that has been to our families and what we need to do to help families related to that. But when you have somebody who's been exposed to an addiction and they're trying to clean up their lives and get their lives back together, and they're reaching out and they're getting help, that child also has a constitutional right to maintain that family integrity.
Are there any other questions?